In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can disable your iPhone passcode. You can simply remove passcode of your iPhone in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. Scroll down onto the option of Face ID and Passcode. You will have to then enter your phone passcode. On this page, scroll down and select this option of Turn Passcode Off. Go ahead and re-enter your current passcode. Passcode will get disabled successfully. Your iPhone won't be with any security pass and anyone can have access to it easily. That's how easy it is to remove passcode on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.